How to change Blox Fruits in Roblox. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So here's a guide on how you can change the Blox Fruit in Roblox. So first, let's start by changing your fruit power. You can do it by eating a new fruit. Simply eat a different fruit and this will automatically replace your current fruit. No extra steps are needed. And you can also try storing and switching the fruits. You can pick up fruits without eating them and store them in your inventory using the store option. And by default, you can store one of each fruit. You can get more storage slots with the Fruit Storage Game Pass. When you want to switch back, just eat a fruit from your storage. And you can also buy permanent fruits. Visit the Blox Fruit dealer NPC in the mansion, which is 30, and use the fruit gacha once you reach the level 50. And the dealer sells fruits for belly or Robux, and the selection changes every 4 hours. The gacha gives you a random fruit for belly or Robux, and the price increases as you level up. So the fruits bought with Robux are permanent, meaning that you can equip them whenever you want. And you can also use the treasure inventories. In the cafe's second C or the mansion third C, you can find special chests called treasure inventories, and these are safe places to store your fruits. And to switch to a stored fruit, you can go to the items menu and select unstore and then eat the fruit. You can also buy it from NPC, but I suggest you spare for Water Kung Fu since it is the best. And once a player stores a fruit, they cannot drop it. You can easily switch fruits by eating a new one, or you can store fruits and switch back to them later. So buying permanent fruits with Robux lets you use them whenever you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.